We are pleased to show you the 2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, alloy wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.